This tutorial, I'm going to show you different ways to create a triangle in Adobe Illustrator. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and watch this until the very end so you don't miss any part. So the first method, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do it. So first method is to actually go to here, and let's say we go with a star tool. Okay, you select, if you have select rectangle, go to select star tool, and now we just create a star, right? And now if you press on the arrow keys up and down, so make sure you don't leave this on, like while you're doing this, so you don't cancel this, you go with the arrow tool, with the arrows, you press down arrow, but you're only doing that, that's only gonna work while it's still changeable. So now it is, so I can while in this position I can press arrow keys, so now you can create a triangle, hold shift now, so it's more stable, and now I can press V and have a triangle now. That's the first method, right? But the second one is you can also go to polygon, and you create a polygon, but you have a polygon, but you press on the arrow keys, now you have a triangle. And another way is if you go to rectangle, no, actually a square or rectangle, and you just click here, and here if it's 6 for you, just select 3, just enter 3. All right, not 4, 3. All right, click and 3. And okay, and now you have a triangle. All right, now the next method, you can also go and add a square maybe, and then here you have this square, right? Well, what you can do here is just to click on this pen and you select here. So you click on this. So you select it like this. And now you want to delete this one. And now you have a triangle, but this is rounded, right? So you have to create a square like this, and now you cut this part. Sorry, not that one. Click on this and you cut that part. So now you have a triangle, and you can rotate this triangle, rotate it, and then you can move it like this. Now, another thing that you can do is, let's say you have a polygon, right? You have a polygon here, and now I think you should see this icon here, and if I hover over it, you should see this plus and minus. If you grab this, you should see again this light. Now again we have a triangle, and a really good one. It's really concrete and usable. All right, so if you have any more questions, leave your questions down below. If you want to know something, and if you want to know something and you're curious to learn, you like to know how to do something in Adobe Premiere, leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll create a tutorial for you. Even if it's the answer to your question solution is just 10 minutes, 10 seconds, I'll create that tutorial for you. So don't hesitate to leave your questions down below, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.